it's amazing.
It was so cool, impactful.
Alumni Give Back Day is powerful.
Alumni Give Back Day is something I wish I had when I was a student. I would have loved to hear from professionals in the industry on a dedicated day, pick your favorite classes, something I would have loved, which is part of the reason I wanted to come back and do this today.
Alumni Give Back Day is the career day on steroids that I wish I had when I was a student.
I know that when I started my undergraduate degree and my graduate degree, I'm not sure that I knew all of the options that were available, and I wanted students to be able to talk to somebody who has had, so far, one of those careers.
I think it just really sparks genuine interest and genuine curiosity, because it's really interesting to talk with people who have been, like I said, through the same system that I've been through, and I can see myself there in a few years.
Just want people to realize that there's more out there than just being a doctor or a lawyer or a financial advisor, even though sometimes those are a lot more lucrative.
Alumni Give Back Day is an amazing experience. I've been able to reconnect with so many classmates. I wanted to come back to show that the skills you learn here really do come to life in the real world.
It's also a great opportunity to be in front of students, sort of see what their perspective is. It's also wonderful to be able to see teachers who I knew and who taught me. I think it's a great, great day.
I really don't know what I want to do in the future, and getting to see all these different cool things that you can do through Hawken is really, really important and really, really helpful when I'm creating my schedule for next year.
Working in nonprofit arts, it's not a field that many people know about. So I want to be able to share sort of my stories and the works that I've been doing with those students that really care about this.
It's wonderful to look at these kids and feel like I am helping them sort of determine what their next steps should be.
These are people that experienced Hawken, and I think it's cool to see how they progressed in life.
So I think it's important to give back to a community and a school that gave so much to me, to my career, and myself as an individual.
Alumni Give Back Day is an incredible opportunity to both be nostalgic about all the amazing things, memories, relationships that Hawken has given me, but also to be incredibly inspired and excited about all the ways that Hawken is different now, and the ways that it has grown since I went to school here.
It gives us an idea of, at least as students, the possibilities of what life is after Hawken, but also just explains the community of Hawken, which I think is very interesting. The fact that we have alumni who want to come back to Hawken and who actually want to talk to us is actually pretty cool, and having that community and knowing that once you go out into the real world, that there are actually people there waiting for you and have some sort of shared experience. There's that sense of we're Hawken, so I think that's really cool.